Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 7 on basic probability. In this lecture we are going to discuss one more problem on basic probability. So first we understand what is this question about. It is asked that what is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. So we try to answer this question using the concept of basic probability. So as we know that in a leap year there are 366 days, and we know that 1 week has 7 days. So first we have to decide the number of weeks in a leap year. So we can decide in this way. We know that 7 days make 1 week, so therefore 366 days will have how many weeks? So that means we have to divide 366 by 7. So you can see if we divide 366 by 7, here we have 52 and here we have 2. So there will be 52 weeks and there will be 2 extra days. So in a leap year there are 52 weeks. Now we are asked to find out the probability that leap year will contain 53 Sundays. So now we are sure that there are 52 weeks in a leap year. So per week there is one Sunday. So there will be 52 Sundays in 52 weeks. So we have to think about these 2 extra days. In 52 weeks we are sure that there are 52 Sundays. So one Sunday, that one Sunday might be from these 2 extra days. Now for these 2 extra days there are different possibilities that these 2 extra days might be Sunday and Monday, or Monday and Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Thursday and Friday, Friday and Saturday, and Saturday and Sunday. So for those 2 extra days we have this total 7 possibilities. So we can say that total number of outcomes in favor of given or in the favor of given question are 7, because we have to find out the probability that leap year contain 53 Sundays. Now we are sure that leap year has 52 weeks. So there are 52 Sundays in those 52 weeks. So what we have to take care of is we have to take care of this one Sunday. So for this one Sunday we are considering those 2 extra days. So for these 2 extra days there are 7 possibilities. So total number of outcomes are 7. Now out of these 7 possibilities we have to find out the possibilities in favor of Sunday. So we can see that possibilities in favor of Sunday are this number 1 and this one, Saturday and Sunday. So there are 2 outcomes in favor of Sunday. So here I have written that now outcomes in favor of Sunday are 2, that is Sunday and Monday, and Saturday and Sunday, that is 2 outcomes. So outcomes in favor of Sunday are 2 and total number of outcomes are 7. So probability that leap year contain 53 Sundays is 2 by 7. Now in this way they can ask us the probability that instead of Sundays leap year will contain 53 Mondays. Then also we have same thing. We know that in 52 weeks there are 52 Mondays. So for 2 extra days we have these 7 possibilities. Now possibilities in favor of Monday are these 2, Sunday and Monday and Tuesday only. So there are only 2 possibilities. So probability that leap year will have 53 Mondays is also 2 by 7. Similarly, probability that leap year will contain 53 Tuesdays is also 2 by 7. So all you have to take care is you must know that leap year contain 366 days, and using this logic we can decide the number of weeks in a leap year. So 7 days equal to 1 week. So 366 days equal to how many weeks? So there are 52 weeks in a leap year. Per week there is only one Sunday. So there are 52 Sundays in 52 weeks. So we have to take care of these 2 extra days. So for these 2 extra days we have these 7 possibilities. So total possibilities are 7 and possibilities in favor of Sunday are 2. So required probability of leap year containing 53 Sundays is 2 by 7. Okay, so this is very famous question which is asked in almost every exam of this course. So I hope you like this lecture. Thank you very much.